currently I'm doing the account assistant job in pharmaceutical company, and I also my final year of MBA exam is going on. I'm the student of the final year of MBA now. So as you say my hobbies now is my hobbies is practicing in English nowadays is going on.
So let me introduce myself. My name is Kanchan Bhatt, and I am a teacher, and I teach phonics to small kids. And I have been teaching since 2013. So, and nowadays I'm learning also English because this is the addition of my what I'm doing. It will be addition of this thing of speaking English, and you know nowadays it is very important thing. If you
Yes,
know, it will
yes,
be positive for you. Matlab it will it will help you to gain only. You are not going to
yes,
lose anything.
yes. It's a very now it's a in your workplace in where everywhere you are going you have to be like speaking in English. It's very important part nowadays.
Yeah.
So
So
may I know,
yeah.
you're teaching in school right now, or you're teaching before?
No, right now I'm not teaching anywhere because you know the pandemic is going on and during lockdown is also going on. So schools are closed and I quit the job also. So right now I'm not doing any kind of job, but yes, I'm taking online classes of phonics where I
Okay,
have a few students.
okay. Actually, I watch your YouTube channel also. Yeah, because of me, I don't know anything about you, so that's why I just watching your video, and I see you're doing you're like putting a so informative video about the English, and I watch all that video here, and then I like that
Same,
you're putting so much of good thing you're putting in video.
yeah, same here. I do watch your videos which you are uploading and I enjoy a lot. And nowadays, you are growing a lot. You have a 252 subscriber, I think. So within a
Yes.
short period, you did a good job, actually.
Yes. But as I say, it's not my main motive to gaining the subscriber. Just for memory purpose, I uploaded my video, my clapping go video. As you see my clapping go, just for memory purpose. So in future, I recall all that things. I just put it for all that things, not for subscriber, not for YouTube. This is not my main motive. I just want to learn the English. That's it. So the people are watching my video and they are coming like I want a person to speaking with me. So nowadays it's happened, I get a person and speaking daily 1 hour with my
Okay.
subscriber.
You are speaking daily 1 hour.
Yes, between 9 to 10, because as you know it's a 10 to 7 my office time. So
Hmm.
in night time 9 to 10 I am daily speaking with my subscriber.
That's really good things, actually. So I'm seeing here improvement in you because I saw first time when you were talking to Mr. Jan, Divyam Jan, and that time you were too much fumbling, means you were not able to say a single word also. But now you are so fluent and you are speaking very well. I'm so happy to see you this. Uh, so how did you do that?
How I do, as I told you now, because of my daily speaking, it's a very it's I say it's a very important thing for right now. I'm like a fluency. I'm improving my fluency. I'm daily speaking because you want to like a fluency, so you have to speak daily. That's why I'm now the you see me. I'm very fluent now speaking with you. And as you told me before, I'm just talking with Divyanjan. It's my first
Yeah.
first time, and speaking with like any teachers in front of them. And before that, I never ever talking with any people in one sentence in English. Like in interview where I'm going to interview, I'm speaking in English, but not like this. That's why it's my problem. I'm not fluent in English. But nowadays I just improving myself in English.
Oh, I can see your improvement, and you really did incredible job because I know all your videos. I know your situation also, where you were and where you are right now. So
Yes,
really good thing, and your graph is going up and up. It's never go down.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So, in your introduction, I heard that you are from Banaras, because your native place is Banaras, but you have been not there for a long time. Okay,
No,
so
no.
I would say I also from Banaras.
Oh,
So
really?
we are from same place.
Oh my God. Because as your surname, I never think about you the Banaras. I was thinking like you're Gujarati or Marathi. That kind of I've never see the Bhatt surname. Your surname is Bhatt, Kanchan
Yes,
Bhatt.
yes.
That's why I just thinking you're the Gujarati. That's why.
No, actually, I got married in South Indian family. Right now, I'm in South Indian family. So before that,
Okay,
my surname was Sharma. So after
okay,
married, it changed and it's become Bhatt.
okay. That's why it will be confusing for my mind. So you are like born and brought up in Banaras in Mumbai, Maharashtra.
No,
You're living
born
in
and
Maharashtra.
brought up in Banaras. And this is a
Okay.
small town where I lived. I did schooling, college, everything I did from there. Only after married I came here. Otherwise, before that, I never ever been in Mumbai.
Okay, okay. So, like you're now after married, you're the in South Indian family. In your family member, all are very fluent in English because South Indian people are very fluent in English.
Yeah,
So you
yeah.
will also learn from them.
Yeah, but they are not speaking English in the house. They use their local language like Marathi or Konkani. They used to speak. They generally speak in Konkani. So I understand Konkani, but I do not speak actually. But I will learn definitely, because first goal is my English, and after that I will learn Konkani also. But now I'm learning because they are speaking a whole day same language. So I'm learning also. But when you say me that speak Kanchan, you say something in Konkani, that time I get stuck and get confused.
Yes. So, Kanchan ma'am, may I know, like right now you're not working. So, in future you have any plan about like right now you're like you also want to improve your English. So, in future you have something goal like in English, like you're doing job in a company or school
Yeah,
teaching.
I don't want to do job, but I want to open my own coaching center where I
Okay,
can teach phonics or English.
okay. So you want to start your own business in
Yes,
future.
actually I'm running my own business, but it is from home and it's not like professional, but I want to do on the professional way.
Okay.
And what is your planning?
My planning, see, ma'am, I just now doing a job in a very small organization, not a big. It's a pharmaceutical company where is a manufacturing work is going on. In that company, I was a account assistant job, but is a very not a big. I can say not a famous. So in future, I want to do in the reputed multinational company job. That's why I just practicing in English because I was tried 2 3 times in that company MNC, but I rejected because of my English. That's why
Mhm.
it's my biggest dream. I want to do the job. Why I'm rejected? That's why I
I
want to do the job.
I don't understand why people giving this language this much important, because you are the accountant and you are very good in accountancy. Then why they want English from you? That I don't understand. Even in teaching job, I can understand in teaching job you have to speak in English, but if they are small children, if they don't know English, how you can communicate with them in English? They will not understand anything. So you should have some freedom So you can use Hindi also and English also. But what about you? Like you are grown up, you are very good at your work. Then why they want you to speak in English? What is the use of that?
But ma'am, there is like in MNC the foreigners client also there. So
Okay.
if you want to communicate with them, so you have a very good in English, so that you
Okay.
can communicate with him also, because it's not accounting. You are also communicate with clients, like any financial planning, so that it's required you have a knowledge about the English, good level of English knowledge. That's why
Yeah.
I'm just like learning the more English now.
Okay. Then it's good if you are interacting with like foreigner. So you need
Yes,
to speak like other language, other straight uh, people. Then you have to know this language because this is the only language where you can understand each other. So in that case, it's very important. But if you ask me in my case, that always supervisor or principal wants me to speak English Kanchan while talking in Hindi. Are you should understand, Baba. They are very small. They cannot understand English. If I am will say blah 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 blah, it will up go. They will not understand any single word what I'm saying. But if I say stand up and as well as I say खड़े हो जाओ, stand up, it is
okay.
very easy that they will understand. Okay, teacher is want to me to stand up, so they can understand. So let me give some freedom to teach. That's why I quit the job, because the job you cannot do to yourself. Like you want to do something else, but the school not allowed you to do your kind of job. They want their kind of job.
Yes, yes, it's correct. So anything else you want to ask me, ma'am? Because I want to ask something you. So if you
Yeah.
have question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will ask you.
Okay, then I can ask you that what where when you are going to planning to get married. I don't know. When you're
If
going to get, you understand my question, huh? Okay.
Yeah, I understand completely, but right now it's not any plan for married and all that. Right now I'm focusing my career. After 1 year, I have the plan, because as you know, I'm the UP side. The girl are married in a very early age, but in my family, the freedom all given to me. You what whenever you want to marry, you can marry. But right now it's not any plan, because not I'm not that much age to plan like married. That's after 1 year, 2 year, I can plan that. Buy all the things in advance.
Yes, yes.
They know what happen in next month. The coronavirus increases and all are
Yes.
shut down. That's why people are very think in advance and buy all the product in advance.
Yeah, you're right. People does that. Do that.
Yes. So, ma'am, I want to know how you like we communicate in 34 minutes right now, and you how you feel I'm talking with you in a very good way in English, or a very some problem in my English. You can also
No,
correct me.
no. There is no problem. Everything is good, and you are doing very great job. You are growing day by day, and I know your journey from where it started and now where you are. So I can tell you that you improve a lot, but you have to do little more so that you can get job in MNC company, because there will be a group discussion, GD, group
Yes,
discussion. So that time you do not feel any hesitation. You deliver your thing, but you deliver very correctly. Whatever I see, so I'm saying same thing, and you really did good. You are doing good job, and I'm hats off you that nobody take this much effort of doing this, but you took it. It's a really good thing.
okay. So, any suggestion you want to give? I want to learn the like anything, so I can also improve.
Okay, you are already talking because we do three things like reading, watching, and listening. we do these three things, but we are not talking. You still you already talking to someone, means your subscriber, and it is very good because nowadays I'm also pick the people from the Hello Talk, yeah, Buddy Talk, and who are interested to talk to me or who are really passionate to learning something. There are many people who are just wasting time. They are not serious about anything. But I choose those people, those who are really good and those really give me something good to learn. So I talk to also same thing. What you are doing, I'm doing the same thing. And I want to reach an advanced level. So the network will be nice. So your journey will be maybe stop because if you get fluency, maybe you stop learning. But I cannot stop learning because I have to reach at that level, advanced level, where I can teach students also. But you can continue. There's no problem. They stop learning is never stop. There is always room of learning something or else.
Yes, yes. So I think speaking is a very good part where what I'm doing right now.
Yes, 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 yes. You can. I can understand what you're saying. That's the main thing. You convey your message to me, and the message is coming to me, and I'm understanding. So your job is done. You already done your part very well, and continue this thing, and you will get whatever you want. The result you will get it soon.
Okay. Thank you so much for your advice because I was when I'm seeing your video now, so I was thinking I will get something from your side for like learning things. That's why I was very curious to connect with you, but because of the time, I will not connect you so many days. Yeah, there's a time issue, but I definitely I want to connect with another time like Sunday,
So,
Saturday if I get a time, so we get a communication and learn the more a lot of things with you
yeah,
also.
yeah, sure, sure, sure. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, so I just said bye now.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Bye bye.
Okay, bye, ma'am. Thank you so much for talking with
Yeah.
me.